Heads bobbing, running
Okay.
walk.
Now
Right?
this is her rest. I like to do it uphill.
Wish I could zoom.
Tap the screen. Mine to tap the screen.
Oh.
Your head elevated.
Oh, I think that works.
Zoom.
Damn, Margo. I'm going to try that when she gets way back there again.
Now, you gotta stand.
Huh.
If you tap the screen, there should mine anyway.
Yeah, I
If
tapped
you
it. I think
tap
she
it,
got close.
and then there's a thing that you can slide up.
Maybe a bit more. I don't know.
She is.
That might be it right there. Oh no, that means
Very
it.
dumb.
Time. That's the time.
Don't. You're just gonna walk her. You're gonna walk her around the ring, and when she gets to be